You're at the ages between 18 to 25, make sure to get your driver's license in Texas. So the first thing that you want to do to get your driver's license is you must go to aceable.com. Aceable is one of the biggest providers for DPS courses for driver's license. So after you use my code, which I will provide the link in the description, make sure to use my code because my code gives you a $10 off. This is not a sponsored video or anything. They actually give you $10 off for the referrals. So after you do it, you gotta choose a course. You have to choose the Texas Adult Driver's ED course, which if you're at the ages between 18 to 25, make sure to use my code. After you get the course, you gotta first finish it and you gotta have the permit. And after you get your permit, you gotta go to DPS and take the road test. But you gotta have some certain documents. In this video, we're gonna be talking about those certain documents to what to bring to DPS if you are trying to get your Texas Parent Taught Driver's ED. So, not the Texas Parent Driver's ED. I'm so sorry, my bad. Texas Adult Driver's ED. So, this video, if you are at the ages between 18 to 25, you gotta have the shortest course allowed by Texas DPS. It's only 6 hours of instruction, but you gotta have the permit. And then you gotta take the permit exam in the Aceable app and save yourself a trip to DPS. So after you get your permit exam, you're gonna get a certificate which will provide your name, and you have to go to DPS with that certification. And you need to bring some certain documents. So you need to make sure that you are getting your DL applications for the driver's license or identification card, which you can fill it out here. You can go here and then you gotta click on here and then you gotta fill this out before you come, which they will probably going to provide this in the DPS. And the second thing that I want to talk about is proof of identity and US things. So if you're not a citizen, if you are a citizen, you can bring your green card, you can bring your passport, you can bring your ID, whatever. However, if you're not a citizen, make sure to bring your EAD or something that shows that you are a present person living in Texas. You're not like an illegal immigrant. So you gotta have your social security card. If you don't have it, you can order a new one, or you can have the social security affidavit at the DPS office. And you can get your proof of Texas You need to get your proof of Texas residency. You can get a mortgage statement or like an electricity bill, which will provide your name and your address so they know that you live in Texas. And you gotta make sure you have an appointment for the DPS. You can't go without an appointment. And I know they suck. I will make another video about how to get an appointment. And you need to have the proof of Texas vehicle registration if you are trying to go for a road test, which the road test is the last step to get your driver's license. And the certificate of completion is also important, and you need to get your $25 cash driver's license fee. You can also bring a credit card to pay that. It doesn't matter. You can bring a cash. It doesn't matter. Or a check, whatever. So make sure to first finish the course. And after you finish the course, you got to make sure that you bring those documents. Make sure to bring them. If you don't bring them, you can't get your driver's license. This is very important. And make sure to get an appointment. Let me show you guys how to get an appointment. You got to go to Texas DPS appointment. And I know the times are very, very bad. However, let's go and try to get one. Schedule a driver's license appointment. And you need to fill out your name, your last name, and date of birth, and last four of SSN. And after you go there, you got to fill out your zip code to find the nearest DPS, and you will be done. However, if you're watching this, please make sure to get my course from Aceable. I will provide the link in the description. This course will literally teach you how to get your driver's license, and also this course is mandatory if you're trying to get your driver's license. This is mandatory, y'all. If you go without this course, you will not get accepted because Texas DPS works with Aceable to provide these certifications. So you gotta click on choose your course, and you can click on Texas Adult Driver's ED, and you gotta buy it, guys. You cannot skip this part. And make sure to, I will provide the link in the description in the comments. If you have any questions, I'm gonna be answering every single question. Ask me questions and I will answer them. I know you don't need to say thank you or anything. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. See you in the next video.